Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any particular website, major mistake is called URL structure design. There is a double space, question mark, full stop. So many people are doing the same mistakes are here. So what will happening? The particular indexing is wrong. It will affected by the search indexing problem. Google will be here. Here I'm searching for particular one URL. They will give by double space. Everything will be here. So any URL after submission, you will be checked for the notepad is the first preference. Here is a long double space. Here is a double space. Where is our double space? You have to rectify it. Go to this. Here is the option will be here. Edit. What are the double space here? And click for it. Submit. Refresh. The link will be gone. Again, go to here and click the link. Previous and new one. You can check it out. After double space is a one space, one space, one space. Everything will be one space. So your structure is compulsory important. After finishing this structure, immediately you can do option name is called URL inspection. That mean by to understanding the URL will be Google purpose. Why? Because the old URL already indexed. So I have to intimate, please index the new URL which will be editable and change the URLs. The compulsory you have to change it and update your particular search console option. This will be represent and fix the issues each and every website option. So this is the follow the conditions and update the index one and fix it. After that, click for the text live URL. This will be represent on your each and every website. So compulsory this follow instructions and update the URLs on your particular Google Search Console and each and every website proper URL structure immediately you can do by Search Console option. If any further question on your URL structure, please contact our channel and definitely will be supported. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.